how to get library resources from home. There are times you don't want to come into the library to work, and that's okay. You don't have to. All of our databases and ebooks can be used from your couch. All you have to do is show them that you're with UTEP, and we have two ways you can do that. Method 1, the proxy server. For this, you just click to go to the database like normal, but before it takes you to the database, you get this login page, and you just log in with your regular UTEP username and password. Method 2, the VPN. The VPN makes the databases think your computer is on campus. Now, the VPN requires a little bit of setup. The easiest way to get to the VPN is to Google UTEP VPN and click the top link. Now that link will take you to a tech support page. Click the appropriate link for your computer and follow the instructions. If you have any problems setting up the VPN, contact tech support at 915-747-4357. Now let's compare our two methods. The VPN requires a download, but it keeps you logged in, and that login will transfer across databases. The proxy server doesn't have a download, but it logs you out after 15 minutes and you have to log in with each database you access. Because of this, we really recommend the VPN. If you have any questions, please call or text us at the numbers on your screen or ask us at libanswers.utep.edu.